Hello, welcome to Toys Are Evil. My spirits are a little bit high, but this is my last toy video for the night before I literally crash out. And hopefully I'll be able to pop by Pop Toy Show tomorrow much earlier, so I can have time to chat with folks and grab everything that I want. Because tomorrow, 23rd August, Sunday, is the last day of the event. And I didn't know until today that actually the event ends at 7 p.m. Not like your usual 8 o'clock, 8:30, whatnot. The event ends at 7 p.m. And literally, security comes to chase everybody out. Fair enough. So the trick is, I need to go earlier and to get all my shopping in. Having said that, now time to look at another figure, the last of the day, from Happy Garaje, from Cebu, Philippines. This one I have to bug Mark to go and do a sketch for me in a brown bag because love it lah, bro. Love it. I never asked, is this me? I never asked. Maybe it's me because I was wearing like a one lensed pair of glasses today. But I don't know, never asked. So let me know. I'll bug Mark whether or not it's me. Having said that, this was a wonderful gift from the awesome folks. Let's have a look at what's inside. Ta-da! Dude, I knew it the moment I saw it when I blogged about it on Toys Are Evil. It is their Wishes series. Nice. I wish you strange adventures. This is so right, man. This is so right. Afterwards, I will post the image of what they have on display. And it's not a blind box. That you can choose the figures. It looks as a blind box, but you can choose the figures itself. They're all on display. And to me, it's awesome. I'm torn between my adoration for blind boxes, I admit, but at the same time, because blind boxes, if I can afford them, it negates me to be able to choose. Does it make sense? I'm just a slacker when it comes to choosing toys because I want all of them. Come on, you get what I mean? How do you tell me to choose something I like because I want all of them? Having said that, maybe I am a bit too highly strung now. Instead, let's look at what's inside. Wishes by Happy Garaje. Nice. So exciting. Oh my gosh. It's the card. It's like, I love this card. It's like, these are all drawn by Happy Garaje themselves. Okay, they are also illustrators and artists beyond toys, because it's not, toys is part of their wheelhouse, or rather collectibles. These are, so it's to me, the whole ecology is they illustrate what they make in the universe that they create. So that to me is pretty rock and roll. I'm not going to read through. Y'all can feel free to pause this video once I let it go on my reels and read it for yourself lah. Happy Garaje. Epic. Let's look at the figure itself. So exciting. I mean, I cannot speak enough of what they do and what they create. And them being in Singapore, this is the second time. The first time was Pop Toy Show last year. Last year, for Pete's sake, once a year. So you better jolly well go down and grab their stuff. And save on shipping, for Pete's sakes. Having said that, maybe I'm getting a bit too excitable. It's a little bit late and I'm a bit highly strung. Hopefully I can crash and sleep later on, so I don't need to. Hey, hi Sha. Boys of course boys lah. Aiyo, I'm distracted. I'm so worried about scratching this figure. Aiyo, oh my gosh, I become so mamby. This is it. Loving the woodcraft feel, carved feel. So the aesthetics is not like a mass-produced per se, yet it feels very, how should I put it, handmade. To answer you, Shah, I'm home. I am home. I'm not out. Too late. Old man need to rest at home in my shorts and sweating like a pig. And we said that this is a little figure. Nice lah, babe. Ooh, pretty. Love it, love it, love it. So, grab it while you can. From Happy Garaje. They are at Pop Toy Show Singapore. Tomorrow's the last day, 23rd of August. So if you see the video after this, not in Singapore lah, hit them up on their Instagram. I'll leave it in the captions with this video when I post it on Reels. So bug them for it, and do yourself a favor. Don't wait until 1 year later to get from them. You get what I mean? When they come to Singapore, there just might not even be any left. From what I saw, quite a few of their figures are already sold out. So don't play, just get what you can. Look at the handmade feel. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And with that, I will end this live. Go take a shower and crash lah. That's it lah. Basically as simple as that lah. So get your own wishes from Happy Garaje, the Pop Toy Show. This is awesome, awesome sauce. Yeah, yes, may my strange adventures come true. That's so cool, man. That's so true. Thank you all for tuning in, and probably I'll do more. I definitely will do more unboxings and toy reviews after tomorrow lah, because I'm going to go for another round to grab all I can, and that's it lah. Okay, I'm over talking. Bye bye.